cosmetic nurse Vanessa Lee, and I'm going to break down the differences for you between chemical and physical exfoliation through a skincare routine using Gold Fatten MD products. And what's great about the Gold Fatten MD products is that they have a choice for physical exfoliations, which is the scrub they have, and they also have a chemical exfoliation, which is a multi-fruit enzyme mixed with lactic acid. They're both fantastic and great for two different skin types, sensitive and not as sensitive. If you have more sensitive skin or very active breakouts or a skin condition like rosacea, it's probably best for you to use a gentler form of exfoliation like Fresh Appeal, which is a multi-enzyme mixed with lactic acid type of chemical exfoliation that sloughs off dead skin cells sitting at the surface of your skin and allows your healthier, freshest, brightest skin to be revealed. If you have a dull complexion and want something that packs a little bit more of a punch, you can try the Doctor Scrub, which is a ruby crystal microderm scrub that's really nourishing for the skin. It also exfoliates, but in a different way in that it's a physical exfoliation where you can feel the microbeads on the skin. I'm going to exfoliate using their gentle cleanser from Gold Fatten MD, which has wheat protein and also grapefruit oil. And I just want to make sure that any debris or makeup from the day is completely taken off before I work with my exfoliation. Exfoliating with a physical exfoliator, you want to make sure that you just gently guide over the skin. You don't want to press down too hard and become too abrasive on the skin, just a really light circular movement. When using a non-physical exfoliator for your skin, you want to make sure that it's the very first thing you put on your skin after washing. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps you pick out the right exfoliator for your skin.